Hi guys, this is RACKNLOAD and this is the Norinco JW25A and it's a copy of the K98, but this is in 22LR. So how cool is that? This is kindly on loan from Henry Crank here in the UK, so we're just gonna have a bit of fun with this, see what it can do. Open sight, so a bit of a challenge. We've got a steel down range at 100 yards. Don't know whether it is zeroed or what, but we'll find out. So just a bit of a range time video, full review to follow. But let's put some lead down range. Oh my God, first shot, hit! $100 open sights. Blimey. This is going too good. Now we all know this doesn't usually happen with me. Oh, I missed that one. Spoke too soon. That is cool. That is pretty cool. Right, to prove I'm not lying, look at my watch, look at my watch. I'm going to keep it following so that I'm not editing the video. $100 yards with open sights. Oh yes, I'll have a bit of that. Right, let's do some more. This thing is so much fun. Oh, I missed that one. Oh. What's gone on here? Oh, got a magazine jam. Now these take CZ magazines. It's not a CZ action, obviously. It's not as smooth as a CZ action, but so it just takes a bit of what's the word? Persuasion with the bolt. So I've got a round stuck in the mag. What's going on here? Well, that is serious fun. Serious fun. If you like your period rifles, war rifles, but you want cheap as chips ammo, then this is one for you, definitely. And even if you've got like a full bore centerfire K98, I think this would be, it'd go pretty well in a collection for sure. Anyway, thanks for watching. That is just a range time video of the Norinco K98 22LR version, if that makes sense. Stay tuned for the full review. Thanks for watching, guys. That's Rack and Load. See ya.